Welcome to the PRIC platform tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create and conduct a webinar using PRIC Connect. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your dashboard, head over to the Event tab on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Launch Events button to begin setting up your webinar. In the first step, upload an event image to make your webinar visually appealing. Enter the event title. Let's name it Animator World. Next, select a category from the drop-down list. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. Now select PRIC Connect as your event type. Remember, PRIC Connect supports up to 300 participants. If you want to record the webinar, toggle the recording option. This will automatically save the session for later use. Once done, click Next.
The creator joins the meeting and then decides to leave, something unique happens. If you're the creator and you leave the meeting, PRIC Connect automatically locks it down. That means you can't rejoin the meeting again. Yep, it's permanently closed for you.
Here, you'll set the start and end date and time for your webinar. Use the date and time pickers to select your desired schedule. Also ensure you choose the correct time zone so your audience doesn't face any confusion. Click Next to proceed. Now decide whether your webinar will be free or paid. If it's paid, enter the ticket price and name. You can also enable the discount price and ticket quantity options to set limits for participants. Once all details are filled out, click. Your webinar is now created. You can share the webinar link with your participants via email or social media. PRIC Connect ensures a smooth experience for you and your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a webinar on PRIC Connect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.